Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you all? I am your host Irfan Ali and you are watching my YouTube channel VFD and Repairing Lab. Today's topic is how to solve our VFD power section troubleshooting. If you are new to on my channel, subscribe to my channel before starting the video and press the bell icon button so that when I upload any new video you can get instant notification and watch instant video. Let's start the video. First you connected the AC power supply with your VFD. AC input supply is okay. First you check the DC supply 560 voltage, set to meter DC. DC supply is okay. Then check the 24 volt DC supply relay. Relay is here. DC relay 24 volt supply is okay. If all is okay, then check the power MOSFET of your VFD. Power MOSFET. Okay friends, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.